Students, today I am going to discuss the numerical problem on the heating and humidification. So you can see the numerical. The atmospheric air at 25 degree dry bulb temperature and 12 degree centigrade wet bulb temperature is flowing at the rate of 100 meter cube per minute through the duct. The dry saturated steam at 100 degrees centigrade is injected into the air stream at the rate of 72 kilogram per hour. Calculate the specific humidity and enthalpy of the leaving air. Also determine the dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature and relative humidity of the leaving air. So given is 25 degree centigrade dry bulb temperature and 12 degree centigrade wet bulb temperature. Okay, here given is 25 degree centigrade dry bulb and 12 degree centigrade wet bulb temperature. This is the atmospheric air is flowing at the rate of this through the duct. The dry saturated steam at 100 degree centigrade is injected into the air stream at the rate of 72 kg per hour. Calculate the specific humidity and enthalpy of the leaving air. So the atmospheric condition is given. This is the entering air. So the point 1, you can mark the point 1 on the psychometric chart easily. So the point 1, how to mark the point 1? This is the psychometric chart. If you mark the point 1 from the 25 degree centigrade dry bulb temperature, you may draw a vertical line up to these are wet bulb temperature lines like this. So up to 12 degree centigrade wet bulb temperature line. So this will be the point 1. So you may mark the point 1 very easily. Okay. So this will be the point 1. Point 1 on the psychometric chart. Okay. You can see next slide. This is the point 1 from 25 degree centigrade. We draw the vertical line up to the 12 degree centigrade. This is the 12 degree wet bulb. जहाँ पर ये इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, दिस पॉइंट इज द एंट्रिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द एयर. Okay. Now the given is from the point 1 we can calculate the specific volume meter cube per kg of dry air. Specific volume lines like this, these lines, like such type of the inclined lines. You may calculate the specific volume. Okay. So specific volume at the point 1 you can calculate from the psychometric chart. Specific volume 0.844 meter cube per kg of dry air. From the point 1 W1 you may calculate and H1 you may calculate. From here this is H1. Okay. Volume flow rate is given. B1 is given in the question, that is 100 meter cube per minute. This is the volume flow rate of the air. The flowing at the rate of 100 meter cube per minute. Okay. This is in meter cube per minute. This is in meter cube per kg. So the mass flow rate, as I discussed in last numerical also, V1 upon Bs1. There is no need to learn this formula again and again. You know that the unit of the mass flow rate is kg per minute. Unit of the mass flow rate is kg per minute, and given that is meter cube per kg and meter cube per minute. Okay, so you may divide this, sorry, you may divide this by this, so this will come in kg per minute. From the units you may find the formula. Okay, so this will be divided by this, so you may calculate the mass flow rate of dry air. This is V1 upon Bs1, V1 upon Bs1. Okay, V1 is given, Bs1 you calculate from the psychrometric chart, so that this will be the mass flow rate 118.5 kg per minute. You note that W2 mass balance equation लगाएंगे अब आप. When you apply the mass balance equation, as I discussed you, how much mass will enter if Ma is the mass flow rate of dry air and W1 is the specific humidity, so the mass balance of the steam or water contained, so the water contained in this is Ma into W1 plus Ms is the mass of the steam is equal to Ma into W2 is exit. This is the mass of the water will exit, this will be the mass of the water will enter. Okay, so from this you know that the formula of W2 is equal to W1 Ms upon Ma. Ms is the mass flow rate of the steam, that is 72 kg per hour. 72 kg per hour. Ma is in kg per minute, this is kg per hour. (72 kg per hour). So change it into kg per minute divided by 60. Okay, so you may divide 72 divided by 60, so this is 1.2 kg per minute. Okay, so you all the quantities you know, the W1, Ms and Ma, put these all the values, so you can calculate the W2. Actually we are interested to find the point 2, the condition of point 2. So it is necessary to find the two conditions at the point 2. So one condition we can find, and other condition we can find from the given data is enthalpy. Okay, so the enthalpy, how to find the enthalpy? H2 is equal to H1 plus Ms upon Ma into Hs. Enthalpy valence equation. Here we apply the enthalpy valence equation. Enthalpy of the entering air is Ma H1 at the point 1, Ms Hs Ms is the enthalpy of the steam or water exit. Ma मास एग्जिट हो रहा है और एंथैल्पी उसकी H2 है. तो फ्रॉम हेयर H2 इज इक्वल टू H1 प्लस Ms अपॉन Ma इंटू Hs. ओके, सो दिस इक्वेशन विल बी कम. H1 यू मैं कैलकुलेट फ्रॉम पॉइंट 1 पे आप एंथैल्पी कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. 1 पॉइंट ये यहाँ से आप एंथैल्पी कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. So put the H1, Ms you know, Ma you know, Hs is the enthalpy of the dry saturated steam is injected into the air, into the atmosphere. Okay, so dry saturated air is injected at 100 degrees centigrade. So you can calculate the enthalpy of the steam at 100 degrees centigrade of the dry saturated air. Okay, Hg you may calculate. So this is the enthalpy from the steam table. From the steam table you calculate the enthalpy of the steam corresponding to 100 degree centigrade. Okay, so all the quantities you know, so calculate the H2. H2 is equal to 61.3 kilojoule per kg of dry air. Okay, from the psychrometric chart, if now you are able to mark the point 2, point 1 25 degree centigrade, 12 degree wet valve temperature. Point 2 this is the heating and humidification. So point 2 will be up W2 you may calculate and H2. So from the H2 line and horizontal line, these two lines will intersect. So this will be the point 2. From the point 2 you may calculate the dry bulb, all the things you may calculate. No need to tell you. Okay. So you may calculate from W2 D2 dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature and specific relative humidity. Okay, so this is very simple numerical based on the heating and humidification. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss 2 or 3 numerical based on this, and one more topic is left in the psychometric. 1 or 2 more topics are left in the psychometric. Next topic will be the heating and humidification. So then this psychometric topic will be completed. Okay, thank you students.